Hi guys, today video is about PS5 error CE-100095-5. Viewers, I will show you how to fix this. Method number 1 is unplug your PS5 from wall socket, wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back and check if it works. Viewers, 90% chances are that it will work. Unplug your PS5 from the wall socket, wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back. I will show you practical how to do this. Unplug it from the wall. Wait for about 60 seconds. Be patient. After 60 seconds, plug it back. 90% chances are that it will work. It will take care of your error. Viewers, if this method doesn't work, then move to the next method. Method number 2 is viewers, press and hold the power button and release it after 2 beeps. Again, release it after 2 beeps, not before. Then connect controller using USB cable. Second part is connect controller using USB cable. Then press PS button on controller. After pressing the PS button on controller, a new menu will pop up with the 7 options. You have to press the 5th option, that is rebuild database. Again viewers, here it press the rebuild database option. It is on number 5. After that viewers, it will take some time to rebuild. We hope this error will be fixed after trying these methods. If not, then comment and share your experience. Viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks.